Today's video is going to be a little bit fun because, well, it's kind of a gadget. It's a thermo imaging camera, but as you know, these can be extremely useful. This product was sent to us by GOYOJO. I did reach out to them and ask for this product so that I could review it and share it with you guys. As you can see, the box is labeled for an iPhone, so it will work with an iPhone. I have an Android and it works just fine with an Android as well. I do appreciate that it does come in this nice tin that will protect it, and the tin does accommodate the instruction manual, the item itself, and an adapter to Lightning. It is USB-C, but there is a USB-C to Lightning adapter if you need that. And as you can see, the product itself is very tiny. It's very small. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is download an app to your phone, and that is going to be called the THG Start app. You can get this in the Google Play Store, or you can get it on the Apple App Store. After you've downloaded that app, go ahead and plug your camera into the USB-C port or the Lightning port if you need to use that adapter. And now we're ready to start using the camera. Now, right now we're shooting the desk, so it's kind of an even temperature. That's why it looks purple, but let's pull back and take a look at what we really can see. Taking a look around my shop, you can see that the floor is relatively cool. We are winter here where I'm at right now, and the higher I go with the camera, the warmer it gets. And that's because all of the heat in my garage is, well, it's hanging kind of high. You can see the heat pump right there is cranking out the heat, keeping us nice and warm. You can also see that the lights are putting off a little bit of heat as well. Now here comes the fun part. We're taking a look at the engine bay of my electric car. I have had this running, and you can see all of the components that need to make heat. Well, they're nice and warm. You can also see that it's going to point the max temperature in the frame. Right now the max temperature is 141, 142 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you can also see in the top left corner, it's going to tell you the center temperature. And the center temperature, which is what that little center crosshair is on, is right around 135 degrees, 134 degrees. The app itself lets you do all kinds of cool things. You can take a recording, or you can take a snapshot. You can change the palettes if you would like. You can also change the measurements that are shown on the screen. So if I want to turn off the center temperature, I can do that. Maybe the hot, and leave just the coldest temperature on the screen turned on. You can also put a picture-in-picture, so to speak, of your camera in the top left corner. That way you can have a really good visual of what you're looking at. Sometimes those temperatures blend together and you really can't tell exactly what you're pointing at, so this would help you in that particular situation. There's also another feature in the very top. It's called Enhanced IR. It just kind of smooths and cleans the picture up just a little bit, making it just a little bit cleaner to look at. So there you have it, a really small thermo imaging camera that works exceptionally well. The resolution is really good, as you could tell. The software is pretty much feature-filled. It has everything that you would need. I like the fact that it'll do video. I like the fact that you can do quick snapshots. If you're working with a customer, you're going to want to send those to them if you're finding problems on, let's say, a vehicle that you're working on. The resolution is high enough that you can work on electronic components. If you're working on maybe a laptop and you're trying to look for hotspots, this imaging camera would certainly do that. I'm excited to add it to the arsenal of tools in my workshop. If you're interested in this particular model, I will put an affiliate link down below. And as with all of my reviews, if I find any problems with this in the future, I will put it in a pinned comment down below as well. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.